I am not your maid.
You want to fight me? Why does your father constantly remind me that my father left nothing tangible for me?
Elizabeth, do I have to remind you that I built this house? And I employed Anna to be my cook.
And it's my kitchen. I decide what goes on in there.
Why have you chosen to be a thorn in my flesh? When will you appreciate the fact that I and my wife are really taking care of you?
Your son brought that Jezebel of a woman as a wife to torment you in your own house.
We call you the lion. What happened to the lion in you?
I just wanted to remind you of my undying loyalty to you, sir. I honestly hate to see you sad. And if there's anything I can do to help, I will not hesitate to help, sir.
Collins, listen. If you want a happy home, then keep your father away from it.
Sincerely, I don't like this. All these scuffles and stuff, I don't like it. Why can't we live in peace in this house? Every time quarreling. If this continues, I don't mind to build a house for you elsewhere.
No, I will be the one to build a house for you.
Or do you caution your father to stop nagging at me, to give me my respect in this house as your wife? You're not getting in between my legs. Case closed.
I have served your father for years. He has never laid his hands on me. Your wife slaps me and you say nothing?
If I had known this is the reason you invited me here, I won't grant this invitation. Let me remind you, I'm a man. Alright? Stay off my business.
Your father's hatred will not cut close to my vein. I will keep fighting. I will fight and fight until he gets tired. And finally have his rest in the grave.